In today's video, I'll show you how you can add music on a WhatsApp status. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go into Instagram. So we'll be doing this in Instagram first by tapping on plus button on the your story. So you basically want to create a story. And from here, you can choose any media that you'd want. Like for example, I'm just going to take a photo. For example, of this one, you could also go for text if you'd want to, as long as you can add music. So in here, let's now add music to our post or to our story or our photo. So tap on the music icon on the top right, as you can see, and then just simply select the music that you want. And let's say I'm gonna go for this one right here. So I'm just not gonna play it on this video for copyright purposes because I might get flagged. So yeah, let's just add this music into our story right there. So music only. You could also make it appear like the title of the music. This one's choose your style. You can edit your story. You can add some text, sample music right there. Let's say for example. And now, once you are now ready to use this as your status, you're gonna tap on the three dots on the top right and tap here on save. And now, your whole story should now be saved with the music with that story. So now all that's left is to go into WhatsApp and go here into updates, by the way, on the bottom left of your menu. Once you're here, you want to tap here on add status. Tap on the camera icon to add a media. And from here, we just need to tap on our video that we have just saved from Instagram, which is this one. And now from here is that you can now crop however you'd want it to be. And then once you're satisfied, is that you could also add a caption. And once it's all done, tap on the send button on the bottom right. And from here, as you can see, the WhatsApp status, this will be sent to your contacts and will disappear after 24 hours. So you could also go for privacy settings. And then from here, you could go for only share with, for example, and then you can select specific uh, people on that contacts. So tap on done once you're now satisfied and tap on send. And that's it. You have now successfully created a WhatsApp status with a music right here. So you can view that and then you'd be able to hear the music right here. And that's it on how you can do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.